In this Python Streamlit tutorial, we are going to create this website you are seeing in just a few minutes. You might not know anything about Streamlit yet, and that's okay. You can follow the playlist I have shared on my channel to start building your own websites. I have added the link to the playlist in the video description. Let's get started. First, we will create a virtual environment to make sure our app runs without any issues. Open up a command prompt and use this code to set up a virtual environment. I will also install the Streamlit module. It is important to make sure the code runs in the virtual environment. I will run the activate.bat file, which you can use to activate it. Now let's use this code to install Streamlit. You can get the code from this website, and I have added the link to the description as well. Copy the code from there. Next, create a Python file called home in the virtual environment. Paste the code into the file. You can remove the markdown function if you need to. This code will help activate the web server. Once that's done, open a browser and go to the address provided to see the website you just created. Now let's add a few pages. Create a folder called Pages in the virtual environment. Add 2 Python files inside that folder. This will show up in the sidebar. Let's add some code to the first and second files. I will copy and paste the code and make any necessary adjustments. And that's it. We have created a multi-page website. I recommend checking out the other Python tutorials on my channel as well.